A symmetric biconvex glass lens has focal length 10 centimeters in air. It is cut into two equal plano-convex halves. Then the halves are glued together and immersed in water. Let us solve step by step. When the symmetric biconvex lens is cut into two identical plano-convex halves, the two halves have equal optical power. So each half has focal length 20 centimeters in air. When the two halves are used in contact, their powers add. Therefore, the focal length of the combination in air is again 10 centimeters. For the same combination, the curvature part stays unchanged. Only the refractive index factor changes when the surrounding medium becomes water. Substitute glass index 3/2 and water index 4/3. The relative index of glass with respect to water is 9/8, so the focal length becomes 4 times 10 centimeters. So the focal length of the combination in water is 40 centimeters, which matches option D. For more clear step-by-step practice, keep learning with Acharya.